These times are dark days, no hope in that light. Some people just wish that they could die. Set near the fences, a deep word in prayer. I'm asking my Jesus how to save a life. This is what he said to me. This is what he said. And this is what he said to me. This is what he said. He said, go tell them about me. Tell them about my word. And the light I will shine on you when the days will come. These days are hopeless, a lot of tears, of pain and of misery. Oh, I look to you. I sat near the fences, deep word of prayer, asking my Jesus how to save a life. And this is what he said to me. And this is what he said. And this is what he said to me. Bring hope to the dark. You are the candle, you are my light, you are the hope in the dark. You are the one I look forward to bring grace. And Lord, it's all up to you. Lead my life now.